Grammy-nominated dancehall artist Spice is scheduled to head to Europe and the United Kingdom on tour this summer. The Queen of Stage is scheduled to make her first stop in Manchester on July 3 before heading to Birmingham. The tour will also see her making stops in the Netherlands, Portugal, Belgium, Switzerland, France, and Germany. She's also confirmed for several dates in the United States. This year, Spice also joins female acts Shenseea and Jada Kingdom as headliners for the return of Reggae Sumfest in Catherine Hall, Montego Bay. In an announcement post on Instagram, Spice stated that, quote, "Asked Joe Bogdanovich for more money and I got it. Yesterday's price is not the same as today's price. Hashtag booked." End quote. The Queen of Dancehall was also recently credited as the most searched artist on Shazam in India. This came as a result of an endorsement from Bollywood superstar. She posted this reel on Instagram to his over 33.6 million followers. Spice's Godongde featuring Shaggy and Sean Paul could be heard playing in the background. Since the video was posted, it has gained over 26 million views on his Instagram account. Go Spice. The Bob Marley One Love Experience will be making its debut in North America. The traveling exhibition features never-before-seen Marley photographs and memorabilia while immersing patrons on a journey through his life, passions, influences, and enduring legacy. The Bob Marley One Love Experience will open in July and remains in Canada for 6 weeks at the Lighthouse Art Space. The show features 6 rooms that will bring together art, music, photos, memorabilia, and is described as a multi-sensory experience. The unique multi-room exhibit will feature 6 distinct spaces, each of which is dedicated to a different chapter of the reggae icon's life and legacy. The experience will boast the music room, One Love Forest, Soul Shaking Studio, a beautiful live zone, a concrete jungle expo, and the Next Gen Zone. Exhibit goers will get the chance to listen to Bob Marley's music in a virtual concert experience, view a wall-sized portrait and other artwork by French street artist Mr. Brainwash, and delve into Marley's personal interests, including his family and, of course, football. Hollywood actor Tom Cruise recently earned his first $100 million opening box office weekend after the release of his new movie Top Gun. Top Gun Maverick sees Cruise reprising his role as U.S. Navy pilot Pete Maverick Mitchell from the original 1986 film. The sequel earned an estimated $124 million at the North American box office in the first 3 days of release. Tom Cruise's previous biggest opening weekend for a movie came in 2005 with War of the Worlds, which raked in $64 million. Top Gun Maverick is the 4th biggest opening of any film since the COVID-19 pandemic. I'm Deidre Gordon reporting for ePrime.